Hello there everyone, the Mobile Legends team is back with another new hero this week, the Scarlet Flower Hanabi. Hanabi is a highly skilled ninja who can inflict massive projectile damage to multiple enemies simultaneously while restoring a huge amount of health at the same time. She can also unleash the sealed power of the Higanbana to immobilize groups of enemies. In short, Hanabi is a team-fighting marksman capable of dealing sustained damage to all who stand in her way. Passive skill, Ninjutsu Equinox, the Scarlet Shadow's secret technique. When Hanabi has full HP, health that would have been granted from lifesteal is converted into a shield. When this shield is active, Hanabi is immune to all control effects. Using the control immunity effect of Hanabi's shield can help her escape the clutches of many enemies and their control effects, making up for her lack of movement displacement skills. First skill, Ninjutsu Petal Barrage. Hanabi consumes mana to unleash the flower demon sealed within the Higanbana, firing petal blades at her enemies. After each basic attack hits, a new blade will spawn and deal physical damage to the enemy. Consecutive hits deal less damage. Passive. This skill grants Hanabi a certain amount of lifesteal which increases each time Petal Barrage is upgraded. This is Hanabi's core skill, providing both high lifesteal and the ability to deal high damage in team fights. Second skill, Ninjutsu Soul Scroll. Fires a kunai in the specified direction attached with a scroll sealed by demonic flower energy. Deals physical damage to enemies it hits along the way and slows them. Hanabi will recover mana for each enemy hero hit. This mana regeneration effect will decay when hitting multiple heroes. As toggling Ninjutsu Petal Barrage on will cause each basic attack to consume mana, Hanabi must try to hit as many heroes as possible with Soul Scroll in order to ensure her sustainability while slowing enemies to limit their positioning. Ultimate, Forbidden Jutsu Higanbana. When the flowers blossom, the leaves are forgotten. Hanabi completely unlocks the Higanbana seal and launches it at the enemy. After hitting an enemy, the Higanbana blooms, dealing physical damage and immobilizing them, and then spreads to nearby enemies. After a certain period of time, if the enemy is still within range of the Higanbana, a new flower will appear, causing the same damage and immobilization effect. The spreading effect only works once per hero, but it still makes this skill critical in team fights. After immobilizing multiple enemies, Hanabi's basic attack projectiles can deal huge damage to the enemy team. In terms of equipment selection, we suggest the following 3 sets of recommended equipment. Since Hanabi is a teamfight marksman with strong resilience, the first set of recommended equipment is ideal, giving her the potential to deal stable and continuous damage. As for emblem selection, we recommend you all go with the marksman emblem set. Hanabi's basic attack projectiles make it really easy for her to trigger hot pursuit. When it comes to battle spell selection, Flicker does a great job of improving Hanabi's survivability. And that's our hero Hanabi. Add her to your arsenal for 599 diamonds or 32,000 battle points with a 30% diamond discount in her first week.